Now, let's look at how to link your Instagram account and WhatsApp account to your Facebook page. To do that, let's click on Settings. And then over here, click on Link Account. And that's it. So over here, you can link your Instagram account. So if you have an Instagram account, you can click on Connect Account. And then you click on Continue to do that. Now, how can you link your WhatsApp account? Now, to link your WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp and then enter the mobile number that you want to link it with. When you do that, they are going to send you a code. Then you click on Send WhatsApp Code. Once you confirm and you input the code over here, your Facebook will be successfully linked to your WhatsApp account.